The winter, it is past. As a poet, I don't like the title. I don't like it when songwriters go, the winter, it is past, or the girl, she walked, or the sun, it rose. Just float the syllable, people. Just float the syllable, okay? Because don't use words that don't carry substance. However, it's not Burns's fault. He was working with a melody called The Winter It Is Past that went to an Irish broadside called The Lovesick Maid, which had this open that way, The Winter It Is Past. So the song It Shall Be Sung by the Andrew Calhoun, it is sitting here. So I've lost it. Anyway, there are 4 verses here. Burns wrote the second. 1, 3, and 4 are from the old broadside, but he significantly revised the 4th verse. So I will sing it and then I'll give you the one that he revised. And you'll see what a smooth job Rob did with the song. The winter it is past, and the summer's come at last, and the small birds sing on every tree. The hearts of these are glad, but mine is very sad, for my lover has parted from me. The rose upon the brier, by the waters running clear, may have charms for the linnet or the bee. Their little loves are blest, and their little hearts at rest, but my lover has parted from me. My love is like the sun, in the firmament does run, forever constant and true. But his is like the moon that wanders up and down, and every month it is new. All you that are in love and cannot it remove, I pity the pains you endure, for experience makes me know that your hearts are full of woe, a woe that no mortal can cure. Not bad at all. So Burns sent this to Scots Musical Museum. It was published as number 200 in 1788. Anyway, the old broadside, well, there's a version of it called The Winter It Is Past in David Surt's manuscripts, which you can look up in the National Library of Scotland. It's on page 243 and 44. And Burns's last verse there is, instead of all you that are in love, it's all youth that are in love. All youth that are in love and cannot it remove, you pitied are for to be. Experience makes me know that your hearts are full of woe, since it fared once so with me. Burns saw a verse in need of an edit, and he changed it to, all you that are in love and cannot it remove, I pity the pains you endure. For experience makes me know that your hearts are full of woe, a woe that no mortal can cure. Smooth stuff from Rob. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll subscribe. The next one is put up is fully by Burns, called The Chevalier's Lament.